Hello everyone, Jonas here from Jonas Tries Anything. Today I'm going to show you how I installed my canoe hanger here. This is DIY, so I made it by myself. As you can see here, canoe's pretty big. It's a 17-foot canoe. Little bit aged, but still works like a charm. Again, I used two different brackets or mounting brackets. That's the first one I used there. So there's the bracket, and then there's just a bolt that goes through it, and then there's two hooks that I tied at the end of the strap, and then I loop that strap down here underneath, which loops back up there, and then it hooks. There's a clip hook right here in the front that clips to that loops through the handle, the front handle of the canoe, and then clips to the strap. So that's how I made the setup. And again, the weight of the canoe just keeps everything in place. So I'm going to show you the other side here. So again, this one I got this from Walmart. Again, just to try out different mounting brackets here. But again, same setup. I tie the end there, loop underneath, goes back up, and then right here in front, the back of the canoe, I basically just loop the strap here and then clip this clip hook back to the strap. And again, that keeps the canoe pretty stable in there, and it's able to hold the canoe up above the ground. So I don't want the canoe sitting on the ground like flat or on the side, because you know it's prone to more damage if the kids are playing out here or whatever, or the dogs. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys. I paid about $3 for that mounting bracket. And then this mounting bracket right here, I got it from a thrift store, and I got it for like 75 cents. So again, a little savings here and there adds up, right? All right, hope this video helps you out. And again, thank you for the support. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on the button below and give it a thumbs up as well, and share it to your friends. This might help them as well. All right, till next time, peace out.